Hi there, students. To speculate, a verb. Speculation, the noun. A speculator, the person who speculates. And speculative, an adjective. Okay, to speculate means to make inferences, to make guesses based on inconclusive evidence. To surmise, to conjecture. This is what you guess is going to happen based on the limited knowledge you have. So, I want you to speculate about what I'm going to do after I make this video. Notice may and might are very good verbs for speculation. Alex might be going to cook lunch. He might be going to give class. He might give class. You do not know, but if you know one or two things about me, you can speculate. You can also make speculative guesses about what I'm going to do. Now, they also use to speculate, meaning to think about something, to meditate or reflect on something. I believe this is much less common. He spent all day speculating about life. So you can use it like this, but I think less common. The most common meaning of to speculate is in business. It's a common business word. It means to take a business risk in the hope of gain. So typically speculation might be buying Japanese yen and hoping that the yen will get stronger and the exchange rate will change, or that your base currency will decrease, and like that you could make money. So this is speculation, this is investment of your money, taking a risk and hoping to make more money. It's like betting on an investment that you think is going to give you money. Okay, so speculators are people who speculate by making speculative investments. Warren Buffett is the arch speculator. He invests money in something because he thinks over time it's going to go up. So speculation is guessing what's going to happen in the future based on inconclusive evidence in the present. Or also you could speculate, you could guess what is true in the present based on evidence that you can't be sure of. The press is always speculating about what famous people are doing. They are speculating about the whereabouts of the King of Spain. People are speculating about who is going to win the football match. They're talking about it and looking at the evidence, but they don't know what's going to happen. At the moment, investors are limiting their speculation because the market is very uncertain. Okay, so to speculate, to use limited evidence to guess or intuitively know or to infer what is true or what will be true. Notice, to speculate is a regular verb. He speculated that it would rain later. He has speculated on the stock market. I think I'd probably give this word a 6 in formality, maybe 5.5. You can use it anywhere. It sounds ever so slightly literary, but use it anyway. You might also more informally use the word to suppose something is true, to suppose something will happen. And then as to the origin, well, it comes from Latin, from the verb speculor, with the past participle speculatus, which means to look out, to be vigilant. And you also have the Latin word specula, a watchtower, a guard tower, to see what's happening. So yeah, if you speculate, you need to see what's happening and then make your guess for the future. So there we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Speculate, speculation, speculative speculator.